What's up guys? I decided to do a salon vlog. So I have my tripod here. I think we're gonna be doing a root touch up today. So it should be an easy day. But okay, to the salon. To the salon! Shut the fuck up.
For today's client, we decided to bring up her balayage and make it a little bit more lighter. I thought I recorded the whole thing, but when I checked back, the camera was not recording. So these are the results. I love it. It's like a nice beige tone. And here's the outside lighting. For this client, I did more of a correction. I did a full head of baby lights with low lights. The hair that is left out, I did a medium tone so it wouldn't look too brassy when I toned the overall hair. For overall tone, I did 9V, 9T, and a dash of 10P from Redken. The low lights, I did 6-12 from Agora with 0.25 of 5-0. And the hair left out, I did a 7-1 from Agora, like for the last 10 minutes. Alright guys, now that I'm back home, I decided to do the dishes and clean the sink. That way I have a clean space to meal prep. And meanwhile, I have the salmon out to thaw. I think that's how you say it, I don't even know.
I am so sweaty, but one of the meal preps that I'm gonna be doing is a garlic butter shrimp with the honey salmon, which is so good. It might not be the healthiest because of all the things I put in it, but it's so good. So yeah, so I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to do that, especially since I've had a lot of requests on my DMs. Every time I post on Instagram, they're like, how do you do it, how do you do it? So I was like, you know what, let me just do a video about it while I'm at it.
So the first thing you're gonna do is preheat your oven to 400 degrees, and while that's going on, you will prep your salmon. This is the honey I use. I got it from Target. I usually put it all over my salmon and spread it. So now I'm gonna add the garlic salt, and you can also add fresh or dry parsley. Squeeze half a lemon, and the other half I cut it into slices to put on top of the salmon. I usually like to get the bigger slice of salmon because the lemon lays better on it. Now let the salmon bake for 15 to 17 minutes and then check to make sure it's done. It should fall apart when putting a fork in it. Now when the salmon is baking, get the shrimp and rinse it with cold water for 3 minutes. I get the extra jumbo shrimp deveined and peeled with tail on from Waterfront. While the shrimp is rinsing, I then add half a bar of butter. You can add as much as you want. That's just how I do it. Sorry guys, my camera was dying, so I'm filming on my iPhone now, but you're gonna want the shrimp to look like that. It's like that orange tint to it. I do have it on medium heat. Also, when the shrimp is cooking, make sure it's cooking for at least 3 minutes each side. Once you flip it, you're gonna get the minced garlic, and I like to add 3 scoops of that with just one of these. So I'll just put them in. Just like that, just because I like garlic. And then I like to add garlic salt, just a little bit. And then parsley flakes. You can put fresh or you can put dry, doesn't really matter. I like to add a lot because it looks cute and it tastes good. And then a little bit of Italian seasoning. Okay, and then I like to mix it up. I like to squeeze a lemon. This is so hard to do with one hand.
Oh my gosh, I cannot. I'm so weak. Okay. You're gonna do it. Okay, just, you know, put a whole lot of slime. I'm gonna put this one and then put the other one in. Okay, so once I squeeze the whole lemon in it, I like to just move it around. Just so I can soak it all in. Oh my gosh. So once I do that, I like to move it around just so I can soak it all in. So bomb. Usually I let it cook for like 5 more minutes. Or until I feel like they're done. Just flip them. Look at that deliciousness. Alright, so now that I am done with the shrimp, I like to cook asparagus as a side dish. I'll add them in olive oil at medium heat, and I'll add garlic salt, pepper, crushed pepper, and half a lemon. And I'll cook them until the asparagus is like a green tone, like a bright green. Oh, and I also do like 3 scoops of minced garlic. This is the outcome. I usually put what's it called, smashed potatoes or just red potatoes in it, but just for the sake of the video, I'm just gonna show you guys this. This is like super good. This is like one of my main dishes that I like to do to meal prep or just eat in general, because it's super easy and it's super good. So it's not looking very cute right now, but you know, you guys get the idea. Guys, this is how my meal preps look like. I'm looking forward into making more videos like this, and if you enjoyed, let me know in the comments and tag me if you try this. I'm not the best at explaining things, but I am trying. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye guys.